Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Leonardo AI to remove unwanted objects from images. So first of all, over here in the home page, you need to go to Canvas editor. Once you are here, you need to upload an image, and over here, upload an image. We are gonna use this image, let's say. Now you see the image is too big, so we need to same size, depends on the image size. So this one is 9 by 16. And then we need to reduce the image size. Sit inside. Okay, good. Lock it. Let's zoom a bit. So let's say we want to remove this building behind her. So how can we do that? So we need to use the draw mask. Okay, so we need to draw a mask behind. Let's zoom a bit. Here you can reduce the size of the brush. So we're just gonna go around her. And building. Okay, nice. By the way, if you do not have here in paint, out paint, you need to pick this one. Make sure it's over here. Now we can pick how many images. Let's say 4. This will tell you how many tokens it's gonna use. I have more than 15,000. You can write what you want to do with the image. So I already wrote here. Natural blurred background, seamless blending with hair. And let's see. Let's generate. So as you can see, it removed the building. The hair is a bit line over here. Over here. Look, this is good. Like the sun is coming from the right. Okay. Maybe this one. So yeah, I think this one is good. So yeah, as you can see, it removed the building. You have different type of images because we picked 4. And I think this one is the best, maybe. Or this one. Yeah, so that's how you do it.